One, two, three, start.
Hello students, welcome you all in mathematics lecture series. In previous lecture, we have discussed about basic proportionality theorem and converse of basic proportionality theorem. That part we have covered in previous lecture. According to a basic proportionality theorem, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, then it will meet the other two sides at a particular point, and if we draw a line connecting these 2 points, then because of that line, other two sides are divided in equal proportion. Means, according to a basic proportion theorem, if this is a triangle and we draw a line parallel, that is line L. Suppose this is triangle ABC. This line is parallel to BC. It will intersect AB at point A, sorry, at point P, and it will intersect AC at point Q. Then, according to a basic proportion theorem, ratio of AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. That ratio is equal. This is basic proportionality theorem. That ratio is equal, which is basic proportion theorem. And converse of basic proportion theorem, काय सांगतो आपल्याला? If the ratios are equal, then that line is parallel. That part we have discussed in previous lecture. We have proved that how that basic proportion theorem is obtained, and converse of that is also proved in previous lecture. In today's lecture, we will solve few examples based on basic proportionality theorem. Suppose example number 4, measures of angles. This is the triangle. A line is drawn. That angle is 60 degrees Celsius. That angle is also a 60 degrees Celsius. This is triangle A, B, and C. It will intersect at point P on AB, at point Q on AC, and we have to prove that AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. Now, what we have to prove? AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. Means the ratio of this line and this and this is equal. That we have to prove that. But we know that basic proportionality theorem. If we prove that PQ is parallel to PC, then according to a basic proportion theorem, AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. So we have to prove that PQ is parallel to BC. How we can prove that? Let's pay attention. In triangle APQ and triangle ABC, we know that angle APQ equal to angle ABC, which is 60 degrees Celsius. But if you consider PQ is one line, BC is one line, and angle is equal, that means that angle is which angle? That angle is corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. That angle is corresponding angles. When that angle is corresponding angles, then according to corresponding angle theorem, PQ is equal to PQ is parallel to BC. PQ is parallel to BC according to corresponding angle theorem. According to corresponding angle theorem, PQ is parallel to BC. Now, when the PQ is parallel to BC, so in triangle ABC, PQ is parallel to BC. That means one side of a triangle, it will intersect at P on AB, at Q on AC. That means on two sides of a triangle, it will intersect P and Q respectively. So, according to basic proportionality theorem, AP upon PB equal to AQ upon AC, according to basic. Theorem. According to basic proportionality theorem. Okay, very simple example based on basic proportionality theorem. Now, this part is over. We will start with a new topic, that is test of similarity of triangles. Test of similarity of triangles. What are the tests to detect similarity of triangles? Suppose one triangle is considered. This is one triangle. This is another triangle. Suppose this triangle is ABC. This triangle is PQR. ABC and PQR are the two triangles. This triangle is large in size. This is small in size. When we discuss about a triangles, there are three sides. First, second, and third. Similarly for this triangle also, first, second, and third. There are three angles: angle first, angle second, angle third. Similarly, here also angle first, angle second, angle third. Three sides and three angles. Three sides and three angles. Out of that, for detection of similarity of triangle, any three must be same. That means if all three angles, angles are same, all three angles are same, then that triangle is similar triangle. If two angles are same, by default दोन सेम असतात आपण सेम येणार आहे कारण 180 आपण जर कन्सिडर केलं तीन अँगलची टोटल त्याचा दोघांची टोटल सेम असेल तर तिसरा डिफॉल्ट सेम असेल म्हणजे अँगल 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 याच्यावर आपण अँगल अँगल टेस्ट सुद्धा आपल्याला म्हणू शकतो ओके देयर इज वन मोर टेस्ट दिस इज सपोज टेस्ट नंबर 1 टेस्ट नंबर 2 and test number 3 is side angle and side test. These three tests. Third test, side angle and side. Test number 4, that is three sides, that is side 1, side 2, side 3 should be same. If the sides, all three sides of a two triangles are same, then we can say that these triangles are similar triangles. Similar triangles. Sides. Four test: angle, angle. Three angles should be equal, or three sides should be equal. Two sides, and between two sides, one angle is equal. That is side, angle, side test. These four tests are useful to measure or to detect similarity of a triangle. Now we will see how we can prove that all three angles are same. Then triangles are similar. That is proof for angle test. Suppose this is one triangle. This is another triangle. This is ABC. This is L, M, L. Okay. In that triangle, A equal to L. A equal to angle L. Angle B equal to angle M. Angle C equal to angle N. Okay. Now we have to prove that triangle ABC and triangle PQR are similar. Suppose in these two triangles, which is given, ABC is larger size, LMN is a smaller in size. Now, to prove that, let's draw some figures. Suppose on side AB, we will mark one point P. in such a way that AP equal to LM, that AP equal to LM, and on side AC we will draw one point Q in such a way that LN in such a way that LN equal to AQ. This AQ equal to L and N. Now we connect these two sides. Okay, because of that, here in this triangle, if we see that AP equal to LM and LN equal to AQ. Okay, now in these triangles, triangle APQ and triangle LMN are equal triangles. Sides are equal. Okay, hence and side PQ is parallel to BC. Side PQ is parallel to BC. So in triangle ABC, PQ is parallel to BC. That means it is parallel to one side, and about other two sides, on side AB it will intersect at point P, on AC it will intersect at point Q. Therefore, according to basic proportionality theorem, we will get AP upon PB equal to AP upon PB equal to AQ upon QC. AQ upon QC. Okay, by taking inverse of that, you will get PB upon AP equal to QC upon AQ. Okay, so PB upon AP. Next page लिखिए PB upon AP. PB upon AP equal to QC upon AQ. QC upon. I get me taking reciprocals. Add 1 to both sides. PB upon AP plus 1 QC upon AQ plus 1. Therefore, PB plus AP upon AP equal to QC plus AQ upon AQ. PB upon AP म्हणजे काय होतं बघा पीबी अपॉन एपी म्हणजे काय तुमचं पूर्ण एबी आणि एक्यू अपॉन क्यूसी म्हणजे काय तुमचं एक्यू सॉरी काय द्यायचं पीबी प्लस एपी पीबी प्लस एपी मीन्स एबी and QC plus AQ. QC plus AQ equal to AC. AB upon AQ. AC upon AB upon AP. Sorry, AB upon इथं काय होतं AP तसंच. AB upon AP equal to AC upon AQ. But we know that काय माहिती आपल्याला AP equal to LM and AQ equal to LN. Therefore, AB upon LM equal to AC upon काय नव्हे इक्वेशन काय इथे एल बघा इथे एपी इक्वल टू एल एम आणि एक्यू इक्वल टू एल एन. Therefore, we can say that AB upon AP equal to AC upon AQ, which is also equal to AB upon ELM AC upon LM. Therefore, which proves that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay, very simple. Proof for angle test. Okay, so based on this test, few examples will ask in final exam. We will solve few examples here. Practice set 1.3. In figure, a figure is given. We will talk on that figure. This is B, A, C, D, E. That angle is 75 degrees Celsius. That angle is 75 degrees Celsius. Okay. In a figure, angle ABC is a 75 degrees Celsius. Angle EDC is also 75 degrees Celsius. State which two angles are similar and by which test. Also write the similarity of these two angles by proper one-to-one correspondence. Now, in this example, let's consider a triangle ABC and triangle DEC. ABC and DEC are the triangles. In that triangle, angle AB and E, oh sorry, AB and C, angle ABC equal to angle EDC DC, which is equal to 75 degrees Celsius, which is given. Okay, and angle C is common angle. Therefore, by angle test, these two triangles are similar. I hope all of you understood this example. काय केलं आपण इथे काय विचार होतं की कुठल्या टेस्टने तो अँगल तुमचा सिमिलर आहे दॅट वी हॅव टू do that, by which test that angle is similar. Okay, very simple example from practice set 1.3. Okay, कुठे डाऊट याच्यामध्ये कोणाला? Now we will solve one more example from practice set 1.3. Example number second. Example number second. What is given in that example? Two triangles are given. First triangle and second triangle. Their sides are given 6, 10, 8, 3, 4 and 5. And प्रश्न विचारलाय are the two triangles in given figure are similar? If yes, then by which test? Friends, in this example angle is not given. म्हणजे कुठल्याही ट्रायंगल मध्ये सपोज दिस इज ट्रायंगल ABC, this is triangle PQR. In triangle ABC angles are not given but sides are given. Similarly, in triangle PQR angles are not given, that means measures of angles are not given but sides are given. Now in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, PQ upon AB equal to 3 upon 6, that is 1/2. Similarly, QR upon BC equal to 4/8, that is also 1/2. PR upon AC, that is 5/10, that is also 1/2. That means when we consider about two triangles, their sides are in an equal proportion, that is 1/2. There is equal proportion, that is 1/2. Therefore, PQ upon AB equal to QR upon BC, which is equal to PR upon AC, which is equal to 1/2. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by which test? By side test of similarity. Triangles are similar. Okay. Very simple example is given. Sides are given, and we have to do that by which test that triangles are similar. So, in given example, these two triangles are similar by side test of similarity. Okay, friends, we will going to stop here. In next lecture, we will come up with few more examples on test of similarity. Okay.